We recently started cleaning out and organizing our garage, but with limited storage for all of our stuff, we needed to come up with additional areas in the garage to store some of our things. That is when my wife suggested the great idea of using the space right above our garage doors for storage. So I got to work figuring out what shelving system I could hang in that space. With only 7 inches between the door and the ceiling, the options available were very limited. I looked at rolling systems and fixed shelf options, but they either required too much surface area or did not give us much storing space. Since we had some bike hooks hanging all throughout our garage, I got the idea of using the hooks in conjunction with some leftover wire shelves we had tucked away in our garage. So I measured to see how long the hooks were, and seeing they were right around the 7-inch mark, I got to work to see if I could make this plan work. I also got lucky that the shelves we had left over were the right length and width to reach each hook and still be mounted to a stud. The first time I mounted the bike hooks, I screwed them directly into the drywall, and let's just say that a stiff wind passing through my garage would have knocked those hooks down easily. So make sure you either use a stud or some heavy-duty drywall anchors to hang these hooks up. I grabbed my magnetic stud finder and started looking for studs. I find that in older homes where there are several layers of paint and spackle on the wall, I have better luck finding a stud with a magnetic stud finder than the battery-operated models. The magnet finds the screws or nails holding the sheetrock in place with ease, giving you the exact location of the stud. Making a pilot hole in the stud, I hung all the hooks and then mounted the shelves to the hooks. The hooks were the right length and gave us enough room to store the ladder rack for our truck and the parts for our kayak cart, freeing up valuable space on some shelves that were on the wall. I think our plan worked out very nice, and we can finally utilize that small space right above our garage doors to store a few things. Let me know how you think it turned out, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.